Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is Saturday, March 18th. No, May 18th.
And I say yes, sir.
Yeah, Joel, always drinking on the job, man. Always drinking on the job. God dang it. Kool-Aid. But listen, hey, we're out here today, man. We're actually headed to Stubbs, Harley-Davidson for the little event they got out there to go show some support to our crew over SHOWOFF Cycles, man. So we're gonna go check them out and show them a little bit of support. But we got a couple new people in the group today, man, and it's pretty legit. I'm pretty stoked myself. So first, we got my nephew Diego. What's happening, man?
What's up?
Come over here, man. Show us what you're riding on, real quick. If y'all don't know, Diego is my nephew on my from my brother. So that's my brother's son, man. And if y'all been watching me for a while, you know my brother Justin, man. He's got this. Well, you tell him a little bit about it, Diego. What is it? What is it?
It's a 2014 Harley-Davidson Breakout.
Breakout.
And it's got the Screaming Eagle package on it. And also a little bit of a tribute to the painter's son. Little baby feet up here as well.
Yeah, man.
So very special bike.
Super sick.
And I'm glad my dad let me bring it out.
Yeah, man. So, hey, how long? Okay, so my nephew's been riding dirt bikes, man. Long time, right? 5 years old, just like my son. Been riding dirt bikes for a long time, man. And he just ended up getting his endorsement. When did you get it? December, you said?
I think December time. Yeah.
Around December time, he got his endorsement, which means he was taking his class when it was fucking freezing cold, huh? Yeah. We went and watched him one of the days he was out there, man. It was cold. So anyway, he got his endorsement, man, and now he's out here riding. So how many times have you been on the bike since you got your endorsement?
On the bike, probably 4 days.
4 days total.
5 days maybe.
5 days total. Oh, and the other day was the first day you got caught your ass in the rain. Yeah. How'd you think? Yeah. What'd you think of that?
Definitely not the best situation, but it was a learning situation.
It was a learning situation, man. We all get caught in the rain, man. We always have that issue or that situation, man. But he handled it like a champ. He made it home safe, so that's awesome, man. But so this is his first group ride. First time you've ever ridden with anybody, right? Yep. So, and I'm honored that he chose to ride with his uncle in this group ride today, man. So he's gonna be riding side by side with me, and then we're gonna go through the whole little learning experience, man, of riding in a group. Just try to teach him what I know and teach him, you know, how to be safe as well. You know what I'm saying? So, so we're gonna do that today, man. Are you stoked?
Very stoked.
Man, love you. Glad you're here, buddy.
Appreciate it.
All right, man. So let's check out the bike real quick. Breakout 2014, huh?
Yep.
Badass, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I think it's fast too, ain't it?
A little bit.
And then you already know we got my boy Joel over here, man. Always rolling with us deep. Every time. So, and then today we've got Mello here too, man. We got the wife in the house, in the slingy dingy. So we've got that here as well, man. Happy that she ended up coming out. Gray's actually coming out as well. He's gonna meet us here at this gas station, and Gray is gonna be. He went with us on the 1,000-mile run with crew, so he's coming out today as well. And we've got a new cat as well, man. So this cat ended up reaching out to me on YouTube, and he was like, "Hey, Knuckles, you mind if I tag along on some of the rides?" I'm like, "Fuck yeah, man. We're always down to have some new people." Me and my boy Trey, man. So Trey,
what's going on, man?
Pleasure to meet you, man. We met just a little bit ago, but what do you think, man? What are you excited about the ride today?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking forward to it. I'm tired of riding by myself. It's gonna be a blast to have some folks to ride with.
Yeah, man.
Go for an awesome event.
Yeah.
And see some cool bikes, cool
Hell
bikes.
yeah. So that's the thing, man. So this event over at Stubbs Harley-Davidson is like vehicles and backers, man. So they're gonna have a bunch of vehicles out there and some badass show bikes, man. So we're gonna head out there as well. But Trey, tell them what, so you just got this bike that you're riding now, right? So what'd you end up having before this?
Before this, I had a a sporty 72.
Okay.
Which was like Chicano style. I loved the look of it, but I wanted to do a little bit longer riding. So I ended up trading it in, and I bought a 2024 Road King Special.
Hell yeah.
And,
man.
Oh man, I love it.
Hell yeah, man. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
All right.
Let's see what you got. So 2024 Road King Special, man. All blacked out, man. Just sick. Oh, you got the speakers in the bags already?
Yeah, I had that put in. So I had a little bit of tunes.
Yeah.
So that way it's all Bluetooth right to my phone.
Hell yeah.
I don't have to have anything else other than my phone, and that's it. And I put the actual wind splitter windshield from Harley on it, just to help knock down that wind in the chest.
Yep.
But it's quick connect. I can take it off. I can still get that old school feeling if I want. Just wind right in my face.
Dude, I love these. So, my boy Freddie, man, the one that's in that group with us, he's actually on his Road King before he got his CVO. He had a Road King as well, and he had that wind splitter on there, man. And that thing looks sick, man. It looks good. It looks really good. It looks better than the old style windshields, right? So that looks clean, man. I like that.
I've seen that you did a little. You have some stuff from Freedom Shield.
Yeah.
And they make a replacement for this that's a little bit taller. It doesn't have the mailbox vent on it, and so I've been kind of thinking about maybe buying that to check it out. Just maybe something like 2 to 4 inches taller. Just to see if it'll take all that buffeting away, because this one actually does a really good job.
Yeah. And let me tell you, man, my kinfolk over at Freedom Shields, man, they're amazing people out there. And the good thing about Freedom Shields is you can try it. If you don't like it, you send that joker back, man. You know what I mean? So that's the good thing about that, because look, windshields, seats, exhaust, man, that shit's expensive, man. So in order to be able to try something and then not like it and just stuck with it, sucks, right?
Exactly.
But Freedom Shields, man, they got a policy to where as long as it's still got the little plastic on there, you can send that joker back, man. So that's legit. So what do you think of the 114 coming from the Sporty?
I love it. I really do. It's got all that I want. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't even bought slip-ons for it. But I mean, it's got everything. Like, I mean, I'm not a little guy. So like, I mean, if I want it, it's right there.
Yeah, the torque, man. So that's what, whenever I bought mine, whenever I got mine, 2019, right? Whenever I got mine, I went from a 107, right? So I had the 107, and then I went to the 114, man. I'm like, holy cow, the torque difference is insane. Insane. So it's a good bike, man. Good motor. Love the motors.
I love it. I haven't had any problems.
Those wheels are clean too, man. I love the wheels.
The Prodigy wheel that comes on it. I mean, it's a tasteful wheel on the bike.
Yes, sir. Yeah, for sure.
And of course, it came with the little engine guard.
Yeah.
She's dirty, but hey.
He getting it. Hell yeah.
And so I'm gonna do a few little things to it here and there, just to add my little touch.
Right. That's sick, man.
You know, that'll be about it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's dope. Well, hey, man, again, I appreciate you reaching out, man. I'm glad you're able to make it out here today. And y'all going to be seeing Trey a lot more, I'm pretty sure, because he's going to be coming out on a lot more rides with us, man. So,
for sure. 100%.
Hell yeah. So there we go. So once Greg gets here, we're going to end up loading up, man, and then we'll head out. So we'll see y'all on the way there. See ya. We made it. We're here, man, and baby, what do you think? It's hot? It's hot as shit.
It's not even hot.
Man, listen, fuck, man. It is. But yeah, we're gonna go over here and check out SHOWOFF Cycles, man, and see what's cracking lacking. So let's see what's going on. come check out those hats, man. Come check out the hats.
Great hat. Look at this.
Awesome. That's awesome. Whoever did that's pretty dope.
Oh, she
There it is. There it is. Hell yeah, man. Hey, so we're gonna get a hold of them, man. We'll talk to them here in a minute, and we'll look at all their bikes. But we made it, so we're gonna holler at them real quick and hang out, and then we'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, let's go. Oh, what's happening, Kimfolk? We left the show, man, ended up coming over here to Lazy Dog. So I've never been here. It is a restaurant and bar, right? And they've got tons of stuff, man. The menu's dope. They've got a lot of craft beers, a lot of wines, drinks, food. They got starters. They got a lot of cool stuff, man. And this place is actually really, really nice. So what do you think? First impressions, baby?
I thought it was just gonna be a hot dog joint, but it looks like it's a lot more than that.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into it. And Joel, what you think, bro?
So far, well, I haven't tried anything yet. I can't tell you good or bad, but so far it look good though.
The restaurant itself is nice though, yeah?
It looks good.
Yeah, and Trey, what you think, man? Same thing?
Restaurant is awesome.
Yeah.
I'll know a little more in a little bit.
Once we get into it. And what you
Same
think?
here.
Same thing? Hey, so what do you think about your first group ride, bro?
First group ride, definitely I have some things to work on.
Yeah?
That'll all come in time.
Comes in time, man. That's all you gotta do. You just keep riding in the group and you just keep learning, keep going, man. And but you did an amazing job first time, brother.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely loved you coming along with us, man. So thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate you. All right, buddy. I love you. And then don't let you tell your dad, he probably ain't getting that motorcycle back.
Yeah, probably.
So anyway, all right, when the food comes out and we tell you what we get, man, we'll end up showing you, and then y'all can make a decision for yourself to see if you want to come out and try it out. So we'll be back here in a little bit. All right, Kimbo, we got our drinks in, man. The nephew got iced tea, Trey got iced tea, and wife got Dr. Pepper. I ended up getting a Huckleberry Hazy IPA, is what it was called. Let me give her a swig. Oh, bro, that's fruity. Just like Joel. Just kidding, let me give her a taste. Oh, bro, that's good. That's good. And then Joel got the
Walrus Hazy IPA.
Walrus Hazy IPA. It's just the sunlight coming in, I can't see you.
Oh, look like Jesus.
Huh? Yeah. We got that haze around me. Is it good?
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah? All right. Hell yeah. All right, we're waiting on the food. I ended up getting a chicken sandwich. Chicken fried. Like a chicken fried chicken sandwich. I got like a chicken fried chicken sandwich. She don't like my head, bro. Fucked up. And what'd you get?
I got the All-American Burger.
All-American Burger. Trey ended up getting
Regular cheeseburger.
regular cheeseburger. And bison burger. That's right. He got the bison burger. What'd you get, baby?
I got the chicken parmesan.
Chicken parmesan. All right. So we're gonna give her a taste, man, once it comes out, and we'll let you know how it is. So we'll see you in a little bit.
And then it's all gone.
Chicken parmesan, right?
Yep.
Nice. Look at that, though. That chicken is, man, you got a lot of chicken in there. And then the bison burger, bro.
It looks good.
Get you some of it. Get you some. Let me see. Oh, what kind of fries you got?
Cajun.
Cajun fries. That's the same thing I got right here. Cajun fries. So that's my chicken sandwich. That looks good, man. That looks good. What you got?
We got the All-American Burger.
All American.
With the regular fries.
Yeah.
And
What is that? Like a coleslaw?
No. This is onion.
Onion.
Red onion with some weird looking sauce over here.
Nice. Yeah? Oh, snap. Trey, what you think, man?
It looks great.
What you think? Well, let's get you some of it. Is it cooked to perfection? Hey, so did they cook it like the way you wanted it? Yeah? Hell yeah. Let's see Trey. Let's see what Trey gonna get. Yeah? Hell yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
Nice. Let's see.
That's a big
Get
old
it, D.
burger right there.
Huh? That is a big old
That's a
burger,
big
man. Look
burger.
at that. That's a good patty, huh?
Oh yeah.
That's good stuff.
Have you been here though before, right? Nice.
Perfectly
That's
cooked.
perfection, bro. That's perfection. Nice. Very good, very good. And then the chicken burger. Let's see what we got. So, chicken fried, oh God, man, I love cheese. Look, chicken fried patty, right? And then you're gonna have your little coleslaw, pickles, tomatoes, and cheese. Let's see. Whatever sauce is on there, that's good. That is good. Great job. Great job. What is it called? Hot dog spot? What is it called?
Lazy dog.
Lazy Dog. That's good stuff, man. Hey, if you ever get a chance, come out to Lazy Dog, man. We're on 290. 290 and 1960. Good spot, man. Good spot. We're going to finish it out. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, Kinfolk, we are done. We are leaving Lazy Dogs over here on 290 and Highway 6, 1960. And we had a great time, man. So listen, big shout out to SHOWOFF Cycles, man. Boom, SHOWOFF Cycles, SHOWOFF Cycles. Make sure you go check them out, man. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tweety D's, all of it, man. They got it.
It's not Twitter no more. It's called X.
Oh yeah. So make sure you go check them out, okay? They're great people, man. Good family
Oriented.
group. Yep, family oriented group. So go check them out. Let them know Knuckles sent you. And then I want to give a big shout out again, man, to my nephew, Diego. Look at that fucking old school shit. Look at that thing.
Yep.
What the hell? Old school sticker. Hey, man, I appreciate you coming with us. Much love, man. You did a great job, buddy.
Appreciate it.
And then always, man, appreciate Joel riding out.
Yes, sir.
Brother from another mother, man. He's always hanging out, always ready to ride out. And it was so awesome to meet Trey, man. Hey, listen, appreciate you, Trey. Appreciate you coming out, man. Appreciate you hanging out with us. And so next time, whenever you want to go out, holler at somebody, man, and say, hey, you mind if we join the group? Do it, right?
Yeah, do it.
Just do it,
Yeah,
because
I swear it works.
you'll never know what happens, man. This is gonna be a long time friendship right here. So Trey is a good guy, man. He's got a beautiful bike, and we can't wait to make the next ride together. We're already planning trips together with all of us coming out and going out and doing different things, man. So do it. Do the damn thing. Buy the damn bike. Buy the damn motorcycle. Drink some beer.
Hell yeah.
So listen, until next time, man.
Wait.
What?
Thank you, Meyer, for coming.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah, you know, I love it too, you know. I like coming along whenever they, you know, acknowledge me.
Baby,
Yeah.
you always know I love it when you come riding with us. So
Okay,
listen,
now you can finish.
until next time, until next adventure, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.